The E17 load failed error usually means the game cannot load your cloud save profile data, or it is failing Xbox authentication on Steam. It is very similar to other E0 errors and is almost always fixable. Shack Fix 1. Restart Xbox and gaming services. Most effective. Open PowerShell as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC and try again. Fix 2. Clear corrupted save cache. Close the game completely. Press. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete. Forza Horizon 6 folder or FH6 folder. Then go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete only FH6 related files. Restart the game. Fix 3, sign out, sign in Xbox app, open Xbox app, sign out, close app fully, reopen. Sign in again with same Microsoft account, then relaunch Steam game. Fix 4, verify Steam files. Steam, library, right-click game, properties, installed files, verify integrity, fixes missing or broken save sync files. File, fix 5, fix network sync issues. Open command prompt admin, you can see the code in our conversation history, restart PC. Fix 6, disable VPN DNS filters turn off, VPN, proxy, AdGuard, Pi-hole, custom DNS, firewall blocking tools. These often break Xbox Cloud Save Sync. Fix 7, check Windows Services Press. You can see the code in our conversation history. Make sure these are running. Gaming Services, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service, set to automatic. Fix 8, reinstall Gaming Services PowerShell Admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC, then reinstall Gaming Services from Microsoft Store. Fix 9, disable Cloud Save Conflict, last fix. If it still fails, disconnect internet, launch game once, close game, reconnect internet, relaunch game. This forces local save rebuild. Why this error happens, E017 usually comes from corrupted cloud save sync, Xbox login mismatch, broken gaming services, Steam, Microsoft account desync, blocked network services. SEO title, Forza Horizon 6